Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And as you can see that we have some little decoration in our living room. So Virgil will be turning 10-year-old tomorrow. So we have this little decoration and we have some balloons. As you can see, it's just so simple. So he been sleeping tonight downstairs. So he not see this all decoration that we prepare for him for tomorrow. So also we bought him some new cell phone, and he not know also that tomorrow that we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna go to Gihulngan. So there's a mountain resort there in Gihulngan. So we're gonna spend his birthday over there. So hopefully he will enjoy his birthday, and he not even know that we're gonna go swimming. All he knows that I have his new phone and we're gonna eat there in Jollibee. That's all he know, but he not even know that we going swimming tomorrow. So it be a big day for him, and he will be surprised because he really loves to swimming, especially in the swimming pool, and he will be enjoying his birthday hopefully. And I'm just so excited for my son's birthday tomorrow, and hopefully everything's gonna be okay, and hope that Virgil will be having a wonderful birthday together with his family and friends. So we have these balloons here, and inside in this gift bag we have a cell phone inside in here, and also we bought him some headset. So we just make it simple because Virgil loves simple. So it's just a simple decoration for him. And we also bought him some cake. So I bought his cake there in the deep freeze. So I'm gonna get it tomorrow morning. And I'm gonna continue my video tomorrow on his birthday. And I'm just do I'm just show you guys what we're doing and the preparation for his birthday, and hopefully that he will love this and he will having a good time tomorrow. So stay tuned for now guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I see you all on tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna continue my video tomorrow. So stay tuned for now. Hi guys, I just woke up around 2:40 this morning, and I already cooked some breakfast, and Virgil is still not wake up yet, so I'm waiting for him to wake up. So my husband is already eating his breakfast, so it's already 5 in the morning. So I already put his cake in the table, as you can see. So that's his cake. He loves Roblox, so we bought him some Roblox cake. And my mama and my friend Bashion, they already cooked the foods downstairs. So we're gonna have some grilled pork, some breaded shrimp, and some grilled fish. So they're still cooking, and some of the foods are already cooked. So over here I cooked some rice here, and also our breakfast is already cooked, and I'm still waiting for my son to wake up. He's still asleep. So my husband is there in the terrace. So I closed this door so that he can't see the decoration inside, and I'm gonna let him change nice clothes before he enter here inside in the living room. He gonna change another clothes, and hopefully that he will get surprised for uh, what we prepare for him. So I will have some rice here in the stove, and Virgil got some spam this morning for his breakfast and some rice. And my husband got some sausage. So hopefully guys that he will surprise and enjoy his birthday. So later today we're gonna pick up the dessert. I ordered some kakanin. So it's famous here in the Philippines. Like a sticky rice. Some of them are cassava cake. So we're gonna pick up later. Maybe around 8 a.m. So I already reserved some cottage there in the mountain resort in Gihulngan. We call it Sakabudoy Mountain Resort. So it's about 45 minutes from our house to there. So we're gonna leave here around 7:30, and I'm so excited for this. So see you guys when Virgil wake up. So stay tuned for now. So Virgil really surprised. Right, Langga? Are you surprised? Huh? So he got his new phone already. So as you can see. So I have that video that when he wake up, he changed his clothes, and um, he really surprised about this decoration, also the cake and the balloons, and he not even know that he have some cake and his new phone, because he expecting that we're gonna buy phone today, and we just eat there in the Jollibee. So he really got surprised.
We gonna eat Jollibee?
No, we're not going to the mall, and we're going to.
Swimming.
So he really surprised about that when I'm telling him that we're gonna go swimming. You're not expecting, right, about go swimming,
Yeah, you said no party.
because he said no party. And now he's shocked. He really shocked about what we've
Honey,
what's that at the back. So you need to keep this one, okay? What you gonna say?
thank you, mommy.
You're welcome lang ga. Always for you, okay? And you need to be good boy all the time, okay? And listen to mommy and daddy, okay? Now, thank you guys. Say thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Say hi to them. Now, thank you so much.
Messenger.
Yeah, thank you so much guys for the love and support for our son Virgil. And he really very happy and he really have a wonderful morning already. So hopefully that we have a wonderful day.
Yeah, for
With
sure.
yeah, for sure. Yeah. Virgil said he have a wonderful day for sure. 100%. Yeah. Wow, look at that balloon. So I'm so glad and happy
My
and
favorite
our
game,
surprise is successful for
Roblox.
him. Yeah, Roblox. And my husband right now is talking to his daughter in US. So I think that's all for today guys. That's all for this morning. So I'm gonna do more videos again later when we arrive there in the resort. So I'm gonna show you all the place that mountain resort.
And
So
a real AirPod.
yeah, he have AirPods. Look at, show to them the AirPods lang ga. Wow, that's nice. So he really surprised guys. So thank you so much for the love and support. We really do appreciate all of you for all the nice comment. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys. Until my next video. So see you on my next video. Virgil, tell to them, don't forget to subscribe,
Don't forget to subscribe,
like, and share. Thank you guys.